Hi, I'm Tony Stefani with Hillside Christmas Tree Farm, and today I am actually going to sharpen our flail mower blades. I was out there a couple weeks ago and I took all the blades off, and there's a lot of them. And we have the Y style blades. There's also the hammer type, and we can see that there's two sides to each blade. You can use the front or the back, and then periodically you flip them over and you get two blades out of one each piece. So both of them are pretty dull. We actually bought this unit used, and it's kind of what feels like springtime now, but it's early March, and now is the time to do the maintenance stuff on the farm before we have to start using the equipment. So why don't you follow along and see what we're going to do. First, we're going to clean all the dirt off, and then I bought a blade sharpening kit. I think this one will have kind of the angle that we need. And if I'm not too happy with this, I have the 4-inch grinder with those paddle bits, and we'll make real quick work of this. So why don't you follow along, and yeah, here's what we're going to do. All right, so kind of the first thing we've done is, like I said, we took just a scraper and scraped all the dirt off. Now we're going to, I just put this one back together for an example, but we have our spacers, bolts, what do they call it, aviation nuts. Keep those all together, and we're going to mount this inside our vise. This is the one part I think is going to be kind of tricky for us because this vise doesn't pivot. And we open up our sharpening stone. Hello. My old drill. Essentially, we just got to do this. What do you want to do with them?
I want to carve something on it.
Carve something on it?
Yeah.
So what tools do you want to use?
Daddy, it has
This?
you doing that. Daddy, it has you doing that. Yeah. Daddy,
Okay.
it has you doing it.
Yeah, I see that. Okay, done?
Nah.
All right, can you guys go do something now? Please stop.
You're right.
Yeah, I think that's going to take a while if we use this. All right, so that thing might work on a lawnmower, but with the amount of things that we have to do, we're going to switch to the 4-inch grinder. We got a lot of them to do, and that would take a long time. So helps if you plug it in. One down, 40 more to go. All right, and there's our pile of nice sharpened Y-style flail mower blades. Nice and shiny, nice and sharp. So we'll bring this back to the farm and we will throw them back on the flail mower. See how it does for the year. Obviously that they're two-sided, right? You can put it like this and then it can go on the other side like so. So next year, year after, we can flip this around and have two edges before we have to do this again. There we have it. All nice sharp blades on this thing. Ready to go for another couple of years. Obviously they're double-sided, so if they do dull up next year, year after, maybe we'll flip them around, depending on how it cuts and stuff. But yeah, that's it. All right, thanks for watching. I'll put links down in the description for tools and things that I was using. If you want to support the channel, use those links. That would be much appreciated. Yeah, on to the next job. Thanks.